Japanese style.
This one is... Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat, and we are
the Drug Queens!
Together, we make videos about local drugstore and affordable beauty products.
And speaking of drugstore products, we have new products from a local drugstore.
For sure, pinindot nyo tong video na to know more about the newly launched lip inks from Detail Makeover. Para malaman more about this,
then please keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with the packaging of this, guys, it's super duper cute. Like
cherries, may lollipop, orange, and then parang popsicle.
it retails for 119 pesos lang.
cruelty-free na yung products nila.
And makikita mo na rin sa packaging na upon opening, 12 months yung kanyang itatagal.
Yung mismong packaging ng product is like this. Makikita mo agad yung difference ng color niya. Yung shade name nila nakalagay doon sa ilalim ng kanilang mga tube.
Yan, isang tube ay 4.4 grams. Sulit na rin for 119 pesos.
Talagang excited na ako. Ikaw ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Excited na akong i-try. Yung 4 shades, we have
Tangerine, Tango, and Orange Juice.
and the other two are the red berry and pink pop.
So, meron kang 2 shades ng orange and then meron kang shades ng
Pink, reddish, ganon.
yan, ganyan. Yung kanilang products, it says daw na hybrid siya ng gel and water tint. And especially siya for the lips.
But in this video, we're going to try it sa eyes.
Sa lips. Oh, diba? Lips. Sa eyes, sa ano to? Cheeks! Eyes, sa cheeks, and sa lips.
Para malaman natin kung sulit ba talaga 119 pesos. Kung all-in-one na ba siya.
Start off muna tayo sa ating eyes. Gusto kong i-try is orange juice. Ito yung medyo lighter na orange. Ikaw ba?
And I'm going to try yung pink pop. Doe foot applicator na rin siya.
Bango. Super. Oh, parang wine. There you go.
Oh, parang wine.
Alcohol. Little by little lang. Kasi these are lip inks. Ay, shocking sa'yo, girl.
Teka lang, hindi ko pa pinablend. Teka lang.
Okay, so, orange juice for your eyes doesn't look orangey to me.
Yes, medyo may pagka-peach. Pero andun yung hint of orange for sure. Pero siguro sa morena,
No.
it looks pink sa morena. Kasi yung akin is very, very pink. It's pink
Like,
pop.
super
like,
pigmented
super
na pink. Kala mo, nag-eyeshadow siya ng pink, but not. Anyway, tatapusin lang namin yung eye look namin. Balik tayo for the cheeks. In-enhance namin yung orange and yung pagka-pink. So, nagamit na natin siya sa ating mata. Ngayon, may gusto kaming i-try ni Kat.
I-mix namin si pink pop and si
Orange juice.
and let's see kung maganda yung kanilang blending together.
Gito, try ko yon. Try mo yung pag-mix sa kamay. Lagyan natin si pink pop sa ilalim, no?
Oh my god, ito pink
Grabe, sobrang iba talaga pag may... Kahit di ka ngumingiti siya para sa'yo.
Parang sinampal ng mga 2 times.
Yung color payoff niya, kung paano ko siya nilagay sa mata, parang ganun din yung color payoff niya sa cheeks.
Blendable silang dalawa, which I like. Hindi halata yung or hindi harsh. The camera doesn't do it justice, pero ang ganda niya.
Take note, before pa maglagay si Kat sa cheeks, kapag powder na siya, and hindi siya mahirap i-blend.
Even with powder.
Parang there are times na parang kapag nag-powder ka na before the actual tint, parang ang hirap niyang i-blend. Like, you have to pull your face talaga. Tas,
Parang may tugging.
Oo. Tapos, it would leave yung
Nawala.
dots kung paano mo siya nilagay or anything. Parang, there are areas na dark, there are areas na hindi dark. And it's not like that to her. Nakapag-drunk blush pa siya.
May
Like-
panahon. May panahon malasing, girls. So, guys, napakita na namin sa inyo si Pink Pop tsaka si Orange Juice. So, now, let's proceed with the lips. And ang gagamitin namin ay si Red Berry and
Tangerine Tango.
para silang darker version ng isa't isa. Like, si Pink Pop, ang dark version niya is si Red Berry. And then, si Orange Juice,
Ang dark version niya is si Tangerine Tango. So, we will see if kaya muna natin siyang i-ombre.
ang sabi ni Detail Makeover, moisturizing daw itong formula nila kasi they really made it for the lips. Let us see. We didn't put any lip balm, so let's see if it is indeed moisturizing.
It's like shocking orange.
Yeah. Ginawa namin is, inner is, akin is Red Berry, and then sa kanya si
Tangerine
Tangerine. Just we're gonna switch now. Para, ito naman sa outer ko. Yun yung iba ko sa outer mo. Let's see kung maganda yung kakalabasan. Maganda nga nung kinambine sa'yo.
Maganda nga siya. At hindi siya mahirap i-blend sa
Tapos,
lips.
lagyan mo lang ng pulbos around para mukhang manika. Very natural tignan. Like, kung hindi ako naglagay, parang kunyari ito yung lips ko. Kissable.
Kaya lang meron akong concern, Kat. Sa umpisa ng pagkakalagay ko ng Tangerine Tango, malamig siya, tapos biglang parang medyo mahapdi ng konti.
Kasi it contains alcohol and propylene glycol.
Chem-N nga pala si Kat. Ano yun,
So,
madam?
alam mo yun, yung parang
Engineer.
kasi yung lips natin, very sensitive skin, diba? Parang pag may sugat ka, when you put alcohol, medyo mahapdi. Pero, it stings ng koonti at first swipe. Pero, when you blend it na, and eto, nag-stain na siya. Kasi, logic ng tints ay kailangan mag-evaporate mo na yung solvent, which in here, ginamit nila water and alcohol.
Solvent.
Okay, so pag nawala na yung solvent, okay na siya. Pero, kasama dito, if irritation occurs, discontinue use. Swipe at your own risk.
Yes.
Saka sa lips lang yun, wala naman ako naramdaman dito
Yes.
sa eyes, wala rin naman ako naramdaman dito sa cheeks. Magko-complete lang kami ng look, so maglalagay lang kami ng mga shining, shimmering, splendid. And then, we'll be back for the conclusion of this video.
Bakit parang mas naging shinita ka, tapos ako hindi?
Ganun ka lang. Pwede na yun.
Okay na yan. Okay, guys.
So, for the rest of this video, nakaganto lang tayo.
Bakit mo ito?
Google girl.
Wow, anong gamit mo?
Detail makeover din. Yung make brow nila mismo. This is the shining,
Oh my
shimmering,
God.
splendid.
Sobrang makina. Okay, so for the conclusion of this video, sana nagustuhan ninyo at natulungan namin kayo mag-decide kung ano ba yung shades na gusto nyo. Pero personally, our favorites are, mine is Tangerine Tango and Red Berry. Maganda sila together.
And ako naman, natuwa ako dun sa pagka-pink ni Pink Pop. And yes, I also love the Tangerine Tango. Like, sa lips, ang ganda niya. Tignan talaga.
Yung 4 shades na yun, either mestiza ka or morena ka, babagay siya sa'yo. And lalo pa pag pinag-mix mo yung orange and pink toned nila, sobrang ganda. For only 119 pesos. Kaya mo talaga bumili ng dalawa. And sulit na siya.
I really recommend you guys to buy the Detail Makeover Lip Ink.
Alam mo, pag Detail Makeover, Pinoy eh. It satisfies my heart na nag-release na rin sila ng kanilang sariling lip tints. And gusto ko yung pinangalan nila, Lip Ink. Yeah. So, talaga namang mag-i-ink talaga siya sa buhay mo. And because we love you guys, and we want you guys to try this also, we have a surprise for you, Pat Go.
Okay, we're giving away another set of these lip inks in all shades.
One winner, 4 shades.
Girl, anong kailangan kong gawin para makuha yung 4 na yon, girl?
For free.
Alam mo, medyo sunod-sunod yung giveaway namin dito dahil Pasko eh. We really want to give back dun sa pag-support sa amin. Sobrang bilis lang naman sumali sa giveaway nito. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on our social media accounts. Our Facebook is
/drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens.
Pero, this giveaway will be open ng 1 week lang. 7 days from today. Basta punta na lang kayo sa description box below para dun sa buong mechanics.
And that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you next week. Bye!